We've got the new EcoFlow Wave 3. Let's see how long it will run off of the Delta 3 Plus. Now this is rated for about 8 hours of air conditioning. This is a huge improvement over the Wave 2 because this has 4,000 cycles if you're using the integrated battery. But most importantly, they added a dehumidifier. So that is going to make the air not only icy cold, but just the right humidity, which is super important for just being comfortable. Now, this thing comes with the adapters for the ducting, right? So that you can actually connect, and it comes with insulated ducts. So you can see it's pulling right now about 111 watts, saying I got about 7 hours of runtime, but it is still sort of kicking up. I've got my target temp set to 61 degrees. I'm in the garage, so it's not super hot in here, but I don't have the AC running in the garage. So again, pulling about 160 watts. Out in the heat, it'll max out at like 300 to 400 watts. But again, because you've got the integrated ducting, it's going to be pulling cool air from inside your tent, inside your RV, and recirculating the cool air. And that is just really icy air. Let's put it into, let's go to sleep mode. So sleep mode dials it way back, but you're still getting very cold airflow. I mean, this is icy cold air, so quite impressive. Again, you don't have to get it with the integrated snap-on battery. If you already have a Delta or even something like a River 3 Plus, although it wouldn't run it very long, that will run this because these are so efficient. Other cool thing, it has a pet mode. So if you've got this in a car or an RV, if it gets too hot, it'll automatically turn on and send you a notification in the EcoFlow app. And there in max mode, you can see you get a ton of airflow. I mean, I am pretty far away and getting blasted like it's literally too cold. Which is impressive. So even in max mode, I'm pulling 270 watts. So that's saying I can go for 3 hours like this, right? Icy cold. So of course I don't need it running this hard, especially in a tent, in an RV, in a small room. You can plug this into the wall. It's a great window unit option. And then you've got that off-grid capability with something like a Delta, or if you get the accessory battery.